on this lip gloss that I thought was a clear, just like healing lip gloss, and it's clearly very pink, which I feel like is killing my fall vibe, but what are you gonna do? It's fine. I realize I haven't vlogged like just a true vlog with you guys in a very long time. That's not like a day in a life, like where I don't have some type of plan of knowing what I'm doing. But today I just felt like I needed to pick up the camera and talk to you guys because I'm just in a mood. Like, I don't know what's going on. I'm PMSing, I totally get that, but like I've been unmotivated for the last 2 days, not feeling like I want to do any workouts, like just feeling kind of blah. And I was at the office and I was just like, no, like I need to leave. I need to go home and do things. I want to make a bunch of recipes. The house is a mess. I want to clean it up. And like, I know I'm like very fortunate to be able to just do that, but I just realized like I need to get out of that space because when I'm feeling unmotivated, I don't feel like I'm a good leader. I don't feel like I'm like inspiring other people, which is obviously like my passion, what I want to be. I need to be inspired. So I'm taking the day just to be by myself. I'm going to go get a bunch of groceries right now at Trader Joe's, go home, work on those recipes. So I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along and just have like a true vlog. I guess it's a day in the life. I don't really know. We're just going to hang out together today. So I bought some pumpkins. Those made me happy. They had my favorite fall wine, Phantom, so I brought a bottle of that. Not gonna drink it right now, but for later. I'm gonna try to grab a coffee and then go home and start baking. Coffee make my heart so happy. I did decaf just so I wasn't being too extra on the caffeine today, but so worth it. Oh, this is so exciting. These are packages for my Amazon gift guide I'm doing for YouTube. Okay, I gotta go unload the groceries and then clean this up. Here's the thing, I'm a very clean, organized person normally. Like I love my house being clean, but right now, I'm not joking you, if you go into any room of my house, it's like this. Like that's not even bad, you guys. Like, let's look. Exhibit A. Look at my office. How am I supposed to work in here? I don't know. There's just stuff everywhere. I had to show you, look at my cute pumpkin. Okay, I know he's ugly, but like, I don't know, every year I feel like I find one of these that are like the green, kind of funny shaped pumpkin. My eye is like immediately drawn to them. I find the one like instantly and they come home with me. So this is this year's. I'm gonna find a spot for him now though. Am I weird? I feel like I have to like set a mood for my cleaning. Like the right playlist, light some candles, put in a podcast, something. Otherwise I'm just like, I get so overwhelmed by where to start, especially when I feel like everywhere is messy. Cause you're like, well, if I move that there, then that makes that more messy, like, but I'm just gonna like do this main area, one spot at a time. Okay. This is a weird question, but do you guys put your silverware like in the dishwasher? Do you push it so it's face up or like face down? Like the top of the spoon, does it go down or does it go up? Ryan used to always put it down. I put it up because I feel like it cleans it better. I don't know what you're supposed to do though. Kitchen is clean. I just gotta hit this table area and then I'm good. And I'm just gonna stop there for now. Ooh, that's so cute. I have this cute new little Revolve tennis sweatshirt. This is a small, it's obviously a very oversized sweatshirt. I also want to open all the Amazon stuff, but I don't want to show you guys yet. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, obviously make sure you subscribe so you guys don't miss when I do the under 50 gift guide. And then I'm also going to do a budget activewear haul for you guys soon, which some of this might be, but we'll see. Oh, it is. Okay, I'm not showing you guys everything, but look at this color and the material. It's so silky. That's all you get for the activewear for now. Later. All right, I'm gonna put all this stuff in my office and we'll deal with that room at another time. I'm looking at all the recipes. The Holiday Survival Guide, I think, has 22, I want to say, in it right now. But I'm gonna add 10 new ones to it, which I'm super excited about. They're all so freaking good. But when I made them the first times, like developing them, obviously they weren't like perfect and not pretty enough to take photos of. So I need to prep them today, as many as I can, so Ryan and I can shoot them tomorrow to add them in. But I think I'm gonna start with a peppermint mocha hanger bomb, and then I'll dig into some of the other ones that aren't gonna take too much time, so I can try to get at least like 3 done today is my goal. This is everything I got at Trader Joe's. Tons of stuff. Almond butters, nut butters, cereal, chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips, marshmallows. There's a lot happening right now. Ew. Do I see sunflower spread? Sunflower butter? I feel like I had it a million years ago and I bought it today because I was like, oh, maybe that would be a good mix. Like, I'm still kind of working on this one. The rest of the recipes are done. This one's still like trying to figure it out. That is nasty, like disgusting. I got the consistency where I want it to be for these hanger bombs, the flavor where I want it to be. Now I just have to hope they form the way they're supposed to. Fingers crossed. So I put, oh my gosh. I put my chocolate chips and I completely forgot that I turned them on. Shoot. Whew, this is not good. I'm not even sure what to do with this at this point. Guys, look at the bottom of my pan. Oh my gosh. I just got a remedy that's not fill it with water, but add water and a cup of baking soda, which I just bought a bunch of for my recipe. So we're gonna try that first to help like break it up. The sink looks disgusting now. Like, there's no other way to say it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on for a while on high and see what it does. It's working, you guys. Okay. Look at this. It's disgusting, can you see? But look at all that black. It's because I'm scraping the out of it. It's a big moment. I mean, if you didn't know, I just burnt like a ½ inch of black on the bottom of this. You wouldn't know. It's so shiny. It looks so great. There's like tiny speckles at the bottom and I was going crazy over them. They're gonna come off eventually. And I'm also a little nervous about attempting this again. But we're gonna watch it very carefully. It'll be fine. We're gonna put on the lowest burner, the lowest heat, and not take my eyes off it. I just realized I have not eaten since breakfast and it's like almost 3 o'clock. Last night I made spaghetti squash and this is like chicken sausage and onion and asparagus and tomatoes. So I'm just heating that up so I can get something like substantial in my stomach before I keep going. I started my last recipe, which is a peppermint bark, but I realized that I'm out of coconut butter because I just used it in my other one. So after I'm back to the store, which I'm not thrilled about, but I'm gonna go do that and then come back and finish that last recipe. That is my 3rd one for the day. That was my goal. And I'm just gonna call it there. I just pulled into the shopping center where the grocery store is and there's like 15 cops, like sheriffs all over. And there's a guy on the ground and another lady. And I'm like, should I go to Whole Foods right now? Like, I don't know. It's a little bit like on the other end of the shopping center. I'm gonna go. I feel like they'd have it shut down if it was like a dangerous situation. I got the goods. We made it in, we made it out. Everything's still happening over there, but get in my car and I'll be home. This is the last one of the day and it is ready to go back in the freezer. So tomorrow I'm gonna be doing all of the actual styling and stuff, but we're done, you guys. House at 5 o'clock. This has been like, I started like 10:30 going to the grocery store. That's a long day. So 2 grocery stores, cleaning up the house, most of it at least, and the kitchen especially, and all of those recipes, I got all 3 done. So I feel very accomplished. I've not worked out yet, but I'm gonna go pick up Ryan from the office and then we're gonna work out together. If you guys liked this vlog, I know it was random, but hit the like button and comment down below because my goal as I finish up this year and go into 2022 is really to start trying to get 2 videos up a week for you. I'll always have my Sunday one, and over the last year I put a big focus on vlogging more in general, but I kind of want to dedicate like Thursdays to be like just vlogs where we just check in, chat, show you all the randomness that's happening in my life. So let me know if you guys want to see more of that and I will make it happen as we go into the new year. All right, I love you guys so much. I will see you soon. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already because I have at least 1 video every week that's new for you and hopefully 2 coming soon. All right guys, bye.